What's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly, but I go by the name Glamorous K. In today's video, I'll be showing you all a What I Got for Christmas haul 2023. I got some very nice gifts from my friends and my family, as well as my boyfriend, that I cannot wait to share with you all. If this is something that you're into, if you're into pink and girly, if you're into a little home decor and lifestyle, please do subscribe to my channel, as well as do not forget to turn on those bell notifications so that you're notified as to whenever I post a new video. Hit that like button, grab yourself a snack, and let's get right into today's video. First up, I want to start with some gifts that my mom got for me. She did a whole Barbie theme this year, and I am loving everything that she got me. And the first thing that I would love to show you all is this super cute Barbie mug that my mom got for me. It is that super cute Barbie pink scripture, and this is also iridescent, and it is so cute. It reminds me of a like pink seashell, and the opposite side of this mug also looks the same as the reverse side. And this is what it looks like in the inside. So yeah, I cannot wait to sip me some coffee or have me a little tea. Sticking to that Barbie theme, my mom also picked up for me a Barbie watch. This Barbie watch is super cute just because of the packaging that it came in, and it looks like this. We have that cute Barbie name across the box, as well as the super cute shade of pink, so I will not be throwing this box away. And whenever we open this up, we have this adorable watch and that super cute pink Barbie shade, and it's all blinged out as well. It also has like some rose gold details on there, and then there's a little Barbie scripture, like the little face in the middle of the watch. Super adorable. And once you see the item that I'm going to be pairing this with that my mom also picked up for me, you're gonna love it. My mom also picked up for me this super cute Barbie fur bag. Now this bag is so adorable, and it's also giving me like Y2K vibes because of the type of style that this is, with the fur, the shape, and how small it is, the little handles. We have a little gold chain, and I think with this purse, I mean, usually I'll get rid of like the little chains or like the straps, but I'm actually liking this on here. It has like this type of clasp. You just open it up like that, and this is what it looks like in the inside. So yeah, I cannot wait to take this on my next shopping trip, and I think so that we can do something a little fancy with this bag, I want you all to come back for a video to watch me pack this bag for my next shopping spree. I'm excited to pack her and get her up and running. Another gift that my mom gifted me was the original Juicy Couture perfume, which is the Viva La Juicy. This is one of my favorites from Juicy Couture. Now I did already open this up because I was so excited to see the bottle, and you'll see why in just a second. But here it is. Super cute packaging just to begin with without even seeing the bottle. Super adorable. We have that cute hot pink bow, the little Juicy Couture charm hanging here. It says Couture. We also have the little J up here with the crown, and we also have this gold plate on here, like that classic juicy gold plate that you usually see on their perfumes. Oh my gosh, this smell just brings back so many memories. I used to wear this in high school, and it just brings back memories from high school. Thank you, Mom. I love all of my gifts, and I'm gonna read to you all the notes. So the notes for this Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy perfume, they read as follows: amber, gourmand, fruity. So this is a fruity scent. And the key notes are top wild berries, mandarin, middle honeysuckle, gardenia, jasmine, as well as base amber, caramel, vanilla, sandalwood, and praline. Now moving right along to a gift that my very best friend gifted me. She is a very, very close friend of mine, and she picked up this super cute pink Louis Vuitton phone case. How adorable is that? It is the perfect shade of pink with the Louis Vuitton plate right here in gold. And this is also like 3D. You can feel like the Louis Vuitton symbol and the name and the little flower design there. Classic LV, loving that. Now moving right along to some items that I gifted myself. If you watched my previous video, you would have seen that we unboxed and packed a bag together, and that is the bag that I gifted myself, that Juicy Couture fur bag. And I also gifted myself this super cute Yeti. I got this from Amazon.com. So this Yeti is the super cute shade of pink that I've been wanting in a Yeti for quite some time. Had to gift this to myself to go on shopping sprees, or even take it to work with me to put my coffee, tea, different beverages in. And I just love how super cute this is. It's like that perfect shade of pink that's my favorite color, pink. And it also has like that lid, and I believe this is magnetic and you can swap this out, but it slides to open and close. The third and final gift that I gifted myself was some Skims. I love Skims, and I just feel like being comfortable in the house is screaming like a nice little Skims loungewear outfit. And I had to pick it up in a super cute shade of pink. This was the pink that I was able to get my hands on. This is the cotton rib tank. I picked this up in a size medium. And I also grabbed the matching leggings to match in a size large, the cotton rib leggings in the color pink as well. And it looks like this. I love the bottom of these Skims. It seems like it's gonna fit around the ankles so perfectly. And I also love the waistband. Super cute. Now to some items that my boyfriend gifted me. He first off gifted me this Victoria's Secret pink gift card. So of course, you know, it's in the pink packaging, but the gift card can be spent at Victoria's Secret or Victoria's Secret pink. So this was in $25. So I will be spinning this up. Now, if you watch my Christmas wish list for 2023 this year, you would have seen that I said that there was something that I was really, really hopeful that I had my hands crossed for, and that was a Tiffany heart necklace with the pink heart, and that is exactly what I got. It was at the top of my wish list, and my boyfriend gifted me that very same necklace that I really, really wanted from Tiffany. The super cute box. I love how they put the little ribbon on there. It's so, so cute. But I was literally in tears whenever my boyfriend gifted me this for Christmas. Let's open it. And the packaging is everything, of course. But yeah, it comes like in this little dust bag. Yeah, we have Tiffany & Co. on there and the little instructions on the back. Opening it up. And it is this super beautiful shade of pink for one of the hearts, and then the rest of it is just a gorgeous shade of sterling silver. It's very, very dainty. Let's see if I can show this to you all so that you can get a very good view of how beautiful this is. So there is the pink heart in front, but I'm gonna flip this around so that you all can see the sterling silver heart with the little diamond in the middle. Focus, there we go. How adorable. I am just so in awe over how gorgeous this is with that super cute pink heart and that original Tiffany heart in front. And this can also be adjusted. It has a few extra links there so that you can shorten it or you can wear it long if you like. So yes, I have to say that this Christmas was very, very beautiful with all of the gifts that I got from my mom, my friend, my boyfriend. Thank you all very much. And I did get a chance to enjoy time with my family, and that's really all that matters. I mean, the gifts are wonderful as well, but just to spend that time and create memories together means everything to me. And that does it for today's video. If you made it until the end, please comment some pink emojis down below. Also, if this is something that you're into, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you here. And I also hope that you all enjoyed your holidays and that you got everything that you wanted on your wish list for Christmas 2023. And I'll see you back here again in my next video. Bye.